Hi viewers, in this video we will learn about what is a public and private IP addresses, proxy server and its working, and the types of proxy server. So, public and private IP addresses. An IP address is a unique number that assigned to each device in a network. Public IP address. It is an IP address that receives from your ISP internet service provider for your home or business router. This IP address is used for accessing public network hardware like home routers and website servers. The public IP address is also called as Internet IP. Private IP address. It is contrast to public IP address, where private IP address is reserved for internal use other than a router or NAT devices. Private IP address is also called as local IP address. So these are the IP addresses that are blocked and uses them as private IP addresses. Private IP address are separate set of address that allows accessing on a network without using the public IP address space. So proxy server and its working. It is also called as proxy that acts like a barrier between the user and the internet. So whatever the user requests, it will first enter into proxy and then it forwards it to internet. Types of proxy servers. Reverse proxy. It is a server that placed in front of web servers that forwards client request to that web servers. It is implemented to increase security, performance, and reliability. When a client sends request to a website server, that request is intercepted at the network side by reverse proxy server. The reverse proxy operates by receiving a request from user. It completes three-way handshake and the initial connection is terminated. It connects with the server and also forwards the original request. Anonymous proxy. It is a special proxy that has a software. So if you request a page, it removes your IP address and replaces it with its own IP address. When web server sends that page, the proxy server will forward it to you. The most popular anonymous proxy servers are web-based proxies. Next, transparent proxy. It is also called as HTTP proxies, which are placed between the client and a web server for intercepting client requests for authentication, acceptable use, or caching purposes. The client will have no idea that his web traffic is processed through a proxy server and then sent to the server they want to connect. Large organizations use these transparent proxies to configure a large number of clients. SSL proxy. SSL, Secure Socket Layer, is a protocol that protects your data during transmission. It provides secure socket layer support and is placed between the client and the server that prevents network attacks intercepting personal or financial information from hackers. FTP proxy. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is used by many applications when uploading data to a server. FTP proxy server provides security when uploading files to another server. It uses cache function and encryption methods that secures transmission process and protects from hackers. It keeps track on all FTP traffic for security purpose. The last one is SOCKS proxy. SOCKS stands for sockets. SOCKS proxy server connection is established by exchanging the messages that has a proxy connection. Here, the connection is nothing but Internet Protocol tunnel that deploys a firewall. SOCKS proxy requests are from firewall that uses SOCKS protocol. And next, the network that is Internet communicates with the SOCKS server request like the actual client making the actual request to access a web page. So these are some important or some common types of proxy servers. So thank you. We'll see you in the next video.
For more videos, please download our application Cyber Future Tech from Google Play Store.